When it comes to home cabinetry, trust the name that sets the standard. Wellborn Cabinet Incorporated. Founded in 1961 and proudly made in the USA, Wellborn Cabinet is 100% vertically integrated, from the sawmill to construction to the nationwide deliveries made by the Wellborn Transportation Team. Our doors are hand-sanded and both framed and frameless options are available. We offer a wide selection of solid oak, maple, hickory, and cherry door styles in a variety of beautiful finishes. Custom color options are also available. Every cabinet we make is crafted with hard work, pride, and attention to detail. Whether it's our solid hardwood dovetail drawers, decorative laminate veneers, all-wood cabinetry, framed or frameless lines, Wellborn continues to deliver the latest styles and finishes on the market today. So when it comes to selection, the choice is simple. Wellborn Cabinet, proudly made in the USA. For more information on Wellborn products, visit our website at www.wellborn.com.